goes fast.
Yeah.
You say you want to do cup holders?
Yeah, cup holders would be good.
Yeah, they probably make you some tab ones.
Probably.
Fucking sheet metal. You're using some ones that just like flip over, you don't even have to drill holes or anything.
Yeah.
Right there. I suppose might as well put two.
Wonder what that is on the bank.
A little piece of metal.
Yeah. Looks like a banshee grill. That's like a really cool waterfall feature over there when it's like really low. Did it last fall. Like a whole bunch of big rocks there and stuff. It's been years since I've done it that low, you know. Bet you a lot of it's new. Probably fell in from that landslide. Trying to keep the scavengers out of there. Man, these bleacher seats are best $30 ever. Yeah, there was some that were like 35 bucks a piece that had a little more padding, but I didn't want to spend that much on two. If we start using this more, I'll buy some fancier ones.
Yeah, it keeps you up.
Simpler is better, you know. But
yeah. Well, yeah, these you can roll up and stuff too. Right, yeah.
I suppose having the wood one as a spare
doesn't really cruise.
Spare tire is probably a good idea.
Like four paddle, man.
Man, we need to get up into the boundary waters in this thing.
Should need a way to clip that wood paddle in here, like a,
yeah,
just to store it.
Yeah.
babies.
Yeah. Or they're just lesser geese.
Yeah, those are geese.
Man, this thing does haul ass.
Yeah, I think it's the size and the hull shape.
Mm-hmm. None of that pussy skull.
None of that pussy skull.
The big one takes more power to get it moving. The big one probably goes super fast too, but
Probably, yeah.
it's so light.
Yeah, but then it also sucks if the river is super calm or if you're on a lake.
Yeah.
You got a big one because then it takes more to move it.
Right.
This thing wasn't very fun on the lake.
No, can't be.
Oh, that's right. So we
That
did,
was a lot of paddling.
This is the third time we used it.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
Because I was just saying, your tag was good for 3 years. I'm like, did you even use it once a year? Like 3 times in the last 3 years? Yeah, you gotta be kind of agile in land one of that thing.
For a goose, yeah. Or he's just dumb and did it once and he's been stuck up there ever
Why you
since.
throw it up there again?
Probably could from the spot, see if he's up there. Prove that it is a goose.
Oh, well, I was talking about the birds.
What's that?
I was talking about the birds, like why you throw it up there, get all the birds.
Oh,
But the nest would be a good idea too.
yeah.
Oh, is that dead tree right there?
Yeah, the old eagle's
Where it
nest.
was. I don't see his head though. Yeah, so Fitz Sparks about how the eagle knows that that's like compromised location.
Yeah. Like, the tree's no good anymore. It's too dangerous to lay any eggs in. So
It would be interesting.
There's
to
no
watch
shelter,
what
nothing.
people build from them fucking-
that would be cool. Just set up a camera with like a time lapse or something,
Yeah.
or like a trail cam or something.
'Cause it's like, how the f get all that shit up there? Does it carry with its legs or is it in its mouth?
Probably its mouth flies
Yeah.
out. But
Balls.
it's like all this you could build probably 50 nests with all this.
Then they spit a bunch of dirt on it so it sticks together.
You can build like 50 nests.
Perfect, dude.
Hawk tool on it.
Yeah.
Spit on that thing.
I think it's easier building bigger kids instead of normal birds. Gotta like find all this perfectly like uniform.
Yeah, they gotta find like grass, you know.
With eagles, like kids, any size works.
Yeah.
As long as I
Taking
can get
2x4s up there and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are like actual sticks, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Whoop. We stopping at the spot then?
It's going
Got a little rocky there.
on the right side of the river.
Yeah. Looks pretty soft up there for a nice landing too.
Yeah, I think it should be good.
You want to try that grassland or a little further ahead?
We can get close and see how far we can get.
Yeah. All right, too spicy.
This should be good. We can try put it in wherever.
Yeah. Oh, shit. gonna go right here? Or you can keep backing up too.
Back up more if you want.
Yep.
Shit, there's somebody's stairs.
Yeah.
Man, where are those from? Anybody's wondering where it ended up, right there.
Seen them.
Well, there's wonder, were those the parent gooses looking for their kids that are like way back there? They're way back there, man.
We're good.
Says 3 persons or 700 pounds. So if you were 700 pounds, it would just be you.
Yeah.
700 pounds.
It complies with Coast Guard safety standards.
The 3 of us would be pretty close, probably. Should we see if we can eddy up in it?
No.
No, that'd be sketchy, man.
I know, someday we should just do a really, really short stretch and just basically have it backwards the whole time trying to go up, you know?
Yeah.
It's like...
Alright, keep your eyes off the rocks here.
Yeah, we should know how to turn this thing around and go back up turn.
Yeah.
We need to learn how to do that.
Right? Maneuvers, pit maneuvers.
Learn how to pull over and then learn how to turn around and go backwards.
Yeah. Gotta get out on here more.
Yeah.
It is more of a pain to bring it out, but pretty cool. Once we get some kind of setup in a pickup,
And I mean,
it'll be a lot better.
We know how to do it in kayaks, so it's just like getting it down to here.
Yeah. Working together.
Well, yeah, it's like synchronizing the paddle and going the right direction. Oh shit!
I see it.
Yeah, that would have been bad.
That would have been.
Oh man, that could have taken us out.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Alright, get stable. Get your sea legs on. Yeah. It's a frickin' sweet spot. That was a party.
Mine's up here.
Yeah, see that. Are we all laughing at that van? Did you call it a Dorito van?
Guido.
You said Dorito.
Probably can paddle up in their new drainage shit.
Yeah, I know. That'd be cool. I think it's a little low though.
Yeah, it's probably not good enough for this.
Yeah.
Thought there was a big cesspool in there.
Be cool to go through that.
You know?
Tunnel, yeah. Looks like it'd be pretty low if you had actual enough water to float through there, though.
Yeah, it's like hard to do that.
Get a little moist back there.
Yeah, I just figured out, like, my parents' friends from church, they owned that place for a little while. They,
Oh, really?
They sold it after a big flood because their
Yeah.
fucking basement flooded and got sketched out.
Flood back in like 13 or
I
something.
think so, yeah.
Yeah.
They owned it from like 05 to 15 or something. Yeah, they need to make this back into a beautiful lanyard.
Yeah, it's kind of trash now. Especially for a canoe.
I swear it used to have like straight up boat landing.
Oh yeah, it was, man. It was like good pitch to it. Looks like that tree just kind of floated out into there. That one right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's like skid road over.
Yeah, that is cool. That'll go. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gotta be fresh.
That's probably the one we heard that one day when we were floating in the woods.
Oh yeah.
The dam failure day.